Hello friends, in this video we will continue discussion on variables and we will learn some advanced concepts on variables. Okay, first of all, let's have a condition. If we have a variable called number and have assigned it value 10 and now we have to increase its value by 5. So what we will do? We will just do num equals to num plus 5. That's what you all thinking and it's right. So now first of all we have a num variable and the num variable having value 10, and in next statement we assign on num variable the value which it's previously currently have plus 5. Okay, and now just we echo out the num variable. Now save it and check it. It give us 15. Okay, now that's a one way of doing this thing. Now if we want our code more flexible and saves our typing time, we can also use $num plus equals to 5. This statement which I write now is similar to this. Okay, you can put this operator behind the equal to assignment operator and this value on this side. This will do just fine for us. Okay, now delete it, save our code and check whether it's working or not. Now reload our page and yet we have 15. So that's fine. This is the smarter way of writing code. Okay, now similarly you can do number minus equal to 5. What it will do, it will decrement the value of number by minus 5. Okay, now let me just put echo statement and break line, so it will clear for us. Now what this program do, it will first create a variable called number and assign value 10 on it. Let me put and write it. So initially the value of our code is 10 and then we increment its value by 5 and print that out. Okay, now we decrement its value by 5 and then we again echo that out. Now just save it. Now reload. Okay, now our code having an error. Okay, what's the error? It's a syntax error, as you can see. Now just check out our code, be patient. Now first of all, this line is clear. Okay, now in between quotes we doesn't apply our concatenation dot and this line gave us error. Okay, now that was fixed. Save our code, then reload our page. Okay, now that was fine. Okay, many of time we got errors, so don't lose your patience and read your code carefully and find the errors and resolve them. Okay, now as we see, first it will have 10 and then it increment by 5 and then it decrement by 5 and again we have 10. Okay, so these were the simple operators, and one more operator I want to discuss in this video, that there is an increment or decrement operator which will increase value of variable by a single number by 1. Okay, let me do it here. Number plus plus. This will increment the value of number by 1. Okay, now just putting a break line here and then just save. See what's the output. Okay, this will increment the value of number by 1 and gave us 11. Okay, now similar to that we also have a decrement operator, which is number minus minus. Okay, it's called decrement operator. Now again print that out, put a line break here, save our code and reload it. Okay, now this 11 is got by increment of 1 and this 10 by decrement of 1. Okay, if you have any trouble in any of these, you can ask me. Okay, now that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.